Diretso lang tayo kuya hanggang altar.
Just like you used to do in the spring. Show me, dearly, tell me, just like you used
Walang division.
in the spring.
Ganda, sobra. May sobra pa.
Dito po yung angle ko eh. Mga kababayan, ngayon po ako ikakasal.
Hold me,
Saan ba? Saan mo magandang umiyak?
love me, just like you used to do.
Cybel, Danes, Yabu, Yabuji. Ang ganda mo ngayon. As always naman. Welcome to my vlog.
Thank you.
Sino yun? Mga fans mo. I hope it would be nice to be the next president of the Philippines. And change the world for the better. Mga kababayan, kasal na kami. Kala nyo, watawat lang ng Pilipinas sa winawagayway. Bouquet.
Go ding ding.
Ako lang daw partner niya.
Call me daddy.
You are mine, you share my things. Through your designs, they bar my way.
Alam mo, ang tagal kong one month na kata talaga ako nag-prepare. Kasi akala ko,
Ganun
madali lang. Oo.
So my own shadow covers me like a raging inner sea. But I know your truth is you know me.
Nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo, akala ko, I already know what love is. But when I experienced your love, your unconditional love, ang dami kong na-realize na ito pala talaga yun. Ito pala talaga ang true love.
But I will laugh with all of you. Would you laugh with all of me? I put my diamonds into you. I saw them spin around the cube. And I hear those words through the universe to be me.
Ayun, natitignan.
Like the depths before my eyes.
Let's do this.
Tawa-tawa mo lang dati.
Thank you for being my voice when I can't speak for myself. Thank you for always driving us to the office and giving me that 30 more minutes of sleep. Thank you for being the man that you are. The man that I prayed for.
But I will laugh with all of you. Would you laugh with all of me? But I will laugh with all of you.
when I'm with you, I'm not pretentious. Because when I see you, my heart doesn't race. It settles. You told me that I am your anchor. Someone who
Mhm.
provides stability and support, especially during challenging times. But for me, ikaw ang aking layag. May sail who inspires me to move forward and explore new horizons.
Naka-jackpot ata ako. Nakahanap ako ng partner sa lahat. Sa lahat ng bagay at sa lahat ng pagkakataon. You've become my rock, my anchor, my peace in this stormy world. I love you, and I will always love you. I will support you to achieve your dreams, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life every day loving you.